Do you want to know the holistic approach of treatment of autism by 7M strategy? Watch this video. Good morning friends, I am Dr. D.K. Rai. Today I am going to talk about the 7M strategy for holistic approach of treatment of autism. Holistic approach has many aspects and only one aspect is 7M strategy. As we all know that autism exact cause is not known till now, that is why no specific treatment has been developed for the autism. Only risk factors can be controlled to reduce the symptoms of autism, and 7M strategy will help in reducing the risk factors and its associated symptoms. In 7M strategy, first M is micronutrient deficiency. As per WHO report, every third children is suffering from micronutrient deficiency, and it is more common in autism spectrum disorder child. Usually seen micronutrient deficiency is vitamins and minerals like vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12, vitamin C and D, and in minerals magnesium and omega-3 fatty acids are deficient in ASD child. That is why vitamin supplementation is considered as alternative therapy for autism. And magnesium and omega-3 fatty acid supplementation will reduce the symptoms and behavior of autism spectrum disorder child. Another M is metal toxicity. As per UNICEF report, 1/3 children are suffering from metal toxicity in any form, and it is more common in autism spectrum disorder children. Commonly seen autism spectrum disorder children metal toxicity are lead, mercury, copper, cadmium and tin. That is why every autism spectrum disorder should go for nutrition toxicity profile testing and consult with your doctor to assess the level of nutrition and toxicity level, that which vitamins and minerals is deficient and which metal is in excess. Another M is mindfulness meditation. ASD child is suffering from stress, anxiety and depression due to lack of communication, and mindfulness meditation will reduce their stress and anxiety level. Many forms of mindfulness meditation are available, such as only one example is here. You can say to your child that lie down on bed and put the hand on his stomach, and if child, you have to instruct him or her that breathe in, breathe out, and your hand will move along with his or her abdomen during breathing, and child will feel calm and relaxed. Another is motivation. Autistic child has many problems, so that he is suffering from anxiety and depression, and if you will motivate by positive affirmation and appreciating their small task finishing, will change drastically in their behavior. So that motivation is very important factor for autistic child improvement. And there is music therapy. Music therapy is not only helpful in reducing stress and anxiety, but also helpful in improving the communication skill. Another M is massage. Deep pressure massage will help in reducing pain in arms and legs present in ASD child, and it will also help in relaxing the child and reducing the hyperactivity and other behavioral issues. Another M is microbiota restoration. In a healthy child, millions of bacteria growing in their gut and helping in increasing immunity and digestion. But due to infection when broad spectrum antibiotic is given. Helpful bacteria also destroyed along with harmful bacteria, and it will cause a decrease in immunity and repeated infection, which results in production of metabolites and neurotoxins, causing stimulation of nervous system through vagus nerve, and it will produce sleep disorders and many behavioral issues in autistic children. So that for restoration of gut microbiota, you should give probiotics at least once a week, like yogurt or enterogermina you should give. These are the 7M for treatment of autism. This is one aspect of holistic approach of treatment of autism. I will cover in upcoming videos another aspect of holistic approach for treatment of autism.